I decided to jump on this more viral cookie that's going around, and oh my gosh, guys, this is absolutely delicious, and I love that it's semi-homemade. You don't have to make your cookie dough. You just buy a tube and cut it into slices, and then you take it from there. You add all your other ingredients. I used the mini marshmallows, a piece of Hershey chocolate, and some graham crackers. Start off by lining your cookie sheet with aluminum foil, or you could use parchment paper. I didn't have any, so I had to use what I had. And go ahead and just place your cut cookie dough on there. And then what I did is I cut up my graham crackers into small pieces and placed them into the actual cookie dough. These pieces are very small because once you add your mini marshmallows and your chunk of chocolate, it's going to make a very large cookie once you bake it. These were so easy to make, and like I said before, I love that it's semi-homemade. You don't have to make your own cookie dough, but you can if you prefer. I went ahead and just bought a cookie dough that was already in a tube, and I cut it into small pieces or slices, and that's all to it. You're then going to go ahead and place a couple of marshmallows on your cookie. You can place as much or as little as you prefer. I believe I used only like 3 or 4 on each cookie. And then you're going to go ahead and kind of just rough chop your Hershey bar. I only used half because I used it for 6 cookies. But if you make 12, then of course you can use the whole bar. You're then going to go ahead and bake these at 350 for about 10 minutes. Make sure that you keep a close eye because these little mini marshmallows can crisp up really quickly. Once your chocolate is chopped up, you're now ready to either insert into your cookie dough or you can place it just on top. Regardless, it's going to melt in the oven and you're going to end up with a delicious ooey gooey cookie that is irresistible. I can't believe that I had never tried this recipe in the past. You guys have to try it out and let me know how yours turned out. And this is how it looks prior to going into the oven, full of chocolate chunks, mini marshmallows, and small pieces of graham crackers. Remember, these will bake and they will get really large with all these ingredients on top. But oh my goodness, it is so delicious. And these are the s'more cookies right out of the oven. You should wait a couple of minutes before you try and remove them from the baking sheet because they're very ooey gooey at this point. But right after that, you can dig in. These are absolutely delicious. And please try these out and let me know what you thought about it.